Ramesh ji, you said that don't worry, Rahul Gandhi will contest from Amethi. You said this on multiple times on my program. So why did he get scared? I mean, why did he get so scared? Yes.
Arnab, good evening.
Good evening.
Who is scared?
Rahul
Smriti
Gandhi.
Irani is scared. I was listening to her in your program. Gandhi family took a seat of Raebareli after independence. And Amethi, when Sanjay ji contested, after that Rajiv ji came, and after Rajiv ji's death, Captain Satish Sharma contested. When Sonia ji came to politics, then she contested. In Raebareli, Feroz Gandhi ji, Indira Gandhi ji, and later on Arun Nehru, Sheila Kaul ji, the family contested. And later on, when Rahul ji joined the politics, Sonia ji shifted to Raebareli. Sonia ji health doesn't allow to contest election because the doctors have refused her to move so much. That's why she's not campaigning too much. Priyanka ji is fighting with dictator in the whole country, who is a misleader and misinformer. Rahul ji has taken a courage. Who is bigger in the family? Grandmother. So he left his father and we gave it to Amethi, to our own family, like a family, KL Sharma. He will win, I'm telling you. Amethi people are crying. He will win and he will resign, and then Priyanka ji will contest. You wait and watch. The people of Amethi will make KL Sharma win. They are only, Smriti Irani ji is only, what she has said, in 30 minutes, 1800 seconds. She took the name of my leader 900 times. I was counting. She's so afraid of Rahul Gandhi. Karishma. Sir, we have a family of sacrifice. KL Sharma is the Youth Congress coordinator, which the trainers were put in each and every district by Rajiv ji. So when he started his career, he was secretary in the AICC. When Rajiv ji died, still he was looking with Captain Satish Sharma, the Amethi. So he knows he's a loyalist of 10 Janpath. He's like being. We are loyalists. We can die for the sacrifice which Rajiv ji and Indira ji has made for this country, and which our Rahul ji and Priyanka ji is doing so much hard work. I'm telling you, there is no difference between Amethi and Raebareli. They are brother and sister, Amethi and Raebareli. Amethi and Raebareli is a family. If Indira ji would not have contested from Raebareli, Sanjay ji would not have gone to Amethi also. They are adjoining seats. There is no difference between Raebareli and Amethi. I'm proud that Rahul ji is contesting for Raebareli, and our another, like a Bharat, Bhadau lekar, khade hain wahan par, KL Sharma. I'm telling you, we are going to win. This election is public versus the citizens of India versus Prime Minister. I'm watching, I'm touring the whole country. People have totally revolted. Only the media misleading, misinformation is going on. I can only wish that both seats we are going to win. The time will tell. God knows the truth. That's why Rahul ji has gone to Raebareli, because of his grandmother, and we have fielded a family member, like a family friend or a family worker, or who's loyalist of 10 Janpath, as a candidate from Amethi.
My God, Mr. Sabharwal.
What, sir? My God. Sir, what wrong I have said, sir? Is Indira ji not contesting for Raebareli?
You are amazing, man. Amazing person you are. Mr. Sabharwal, मैं तो दाद देता हूँ आप किस तरह से लॉयल हैं पार्टी के साथ, जिस दिन आपके अपने नेता भाग गए. Anyway, Tuhin is here with us. Tuhin is with us.
कहाँ भाग गए हम? सर, Amethi Raebareli में फर्क क्या है? अरे सर, अरे KL शर्मा से निपट के देखे ना स्मृति ईरानी जी.
Okay. Tuhin Sinha, would you like to respond to this deep analysis of why Rahul has left Amethi? Mr. Sabharwal says he's not left Amethi. A family member type person has gone to Amethi, KL Sharma, and KL Sharma, after he wins, will quit. There will be a bipole, and then Priyanka will fight from Raebareli. This is his theory.
From Amethi.
From Amethi. Okay.
Well, good evening, Arnab. Fact is, I will repeat what I have said before. There are no safe seats left for the Gandhis in this country anymore. So whether it is Amethi, whether it is Raebareli, If you remember last time in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, Dinesh Pratap Singh, who is the BJP candidate, had reduced the victory margin of Sonia Gandhi to half. In the last 5 years, he has been working diligently in the constituency, whereas the Gandhis are nowhere to be seen. So this matters. But today, with his last minute decision to abdicate responsibility once again, Rahul Gandhi has reduced himself to being the Bahadur Shah Zafar of the Nehru dynasty. The same waywardness, the same indecision, the same lethargy, and the same inability to take responsibility and defend his dynasty. So, Rahul Gandhi will go down in history as somebody who, he was not satisfied by losing Amethi. So when in history the Nehru dynasty is recalled, he will go down as the person who not only sacrificed Amethi but also sacrificed Rai Bareli. But today, my heart goes out to the 5 or 6 Darbari journalists who had been sent to Amethi to build up a mahal for Rahul Gandhi in the last 5 to 6 days, who were tweeting constantly that Rahul Gandhi is arriving. And because of them, there were party workers, the few remaining party workers, the sediments of the Congress party, who had started to believe that Rahul Gandhi would indeed come, and they had put up banners and all. Look at what would have, what they would have gone through when in the morning they were suddenly told to, go all the way to Rai Bareli in the heat, a good 100 kilometers away. Of course, Mr. Sabharwal has swallowed his self-respect, but my heart goes out to the remaining Congress workers who are disgusted with this attitude of Rahul Gandhi, the family which cannot stand for its own party, the party which cannot stand for its own, legacy. Arnab, one final point. Politics is about ambition. It is about your, ruthless desire to succeed. A person who is bereft of ambition cannot have big plans for the country. He can only come up with a shoddy, contrived manifesto, which is reminiscent of the Muslim League. And that is exactly the point which Prime Minister Modi has been emphasizing for the last 2 weeks.
Yes, in fact, this alliance of the Congress party and the Muslim League and the determined approach of Congress party to have Muslim quotas might cost them more. Pawan Gidwani says, like he lost Amethi, Rai Bareli will also slip away. Navya Roy says it took him weeks to ponder Amethi and Rai Bareli. It shows his confidence levels. Monica Sabharwal says he's going to lose from Wayanad also. Arun Murthy is saying Rahul is Smriti Irani relieved of the pressure now. She was never scared of any Gandhi ever. She's an achiever. My question to Ashok Mrityunjay ji of the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Mrityunjay, you have an alliance with the Congress Party. Whatever Congress Party does will impact your voters also. Now, 5 phases are still to go. Delhi is still to go to the polls, which is important for you. This approach of the Congress Party, Rahul Gandhi running away from Amethi, what will be the national image that will go of your alliance, of the India alliance, in your view?
Well, it'll be a good image which is, cascaded further. The reason is a party volunteer in Amethi has been given a ticket to contest an election, contest a Lok Sabha election, which is very good. Always Mr. Narendra Modi keeps talking about dynasty politics, where in the Lok Sabha, both Sonia Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi have stayed back from contesting elections. That clearly shows that, the party is changed their mindset and allowing people, the local volunteer, to participate. However, see, the particular Amethi seat is the India Alliance which go to Congress. It's their decision whom they want to contest, and it would definitely give a strong message. Today, people are not worried where Rahul Gandhi is contesting, where, Priyanka Gandhi is contesting. People are worried about what's happening with the country. Can Narendra Modi come and contest anywhere in South India? Narendra Modi is a big, country leader. Why don't he come and contest in Tamil Nadu? Why don't he come and contest in Kerala? Right? When we talk about Rahul Gandhi, why don't we talk about Mr. Prime Minister? He's a Vishwaguru. He can stop wars in Ukraine. Why don't he come and contest any election in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, or Kerala? Right? He can only contest in North India. Why don't we question that? Right? The same way we are questioning Rahul Gandhi why he took a step back. We should also dare to question Mr. Modi on, why he can't come and contest in Kerala.
Yeah.
Let him take 2 seats and let him win and show that, he's a
Why
really
does he need to
Vishwaguru,
take
people
2
vote
seats if
for
he's
him.
confident in winning from 1?
Yeah,
I'll
absolutely.
answer you.
Let him contest
What is
in
this?
Kerala.
Are you let him
win.
contest? Why does the
Let him
Prime Minister
contest
need
in
to
Kerala,
contest
let him
from
win.
2 seats?
Where is this
Why not? Why not you want to contest from Varanasi? Let him contest from Kerala and show his strength in Kerala.
Today, Arnab,
Why
where is this
Kedwani ji
Aam
contested
Aadmi
from
Party
New Delhi and
leading us?
Gandhinagar?
Where is this
Where
Aam
we
Aadmi
beat
Party
Rajesh
leading
Khanna?
us? If Mr. Modi, if Prime Minister Modi decided to contest from Coimbatore, let's take a hypothetical situation. If he decided to contest from Coimbatore or from Bangalore, would he not win? Why is this
No.
Aam Aadmi Party? Why do they
Let him
keep
contest,
coming
let
up
him
with
prove that
illogical
India,
stuff just to
Narendra Modi
defend
is there.
Rahul Gandhi?
India,
Unless you call out Rahul Gandhi, even your alliance, Aam Aadmi Party must realize you should be as blunt as your Punjab CM who said Ek Thi Congress. He will at least have the directness to slam Congress for its non-performance. And today you are defending Rahul Gandhi by drawing up a false equivalence with Mr. Modi.
Let him contest from Bangalore rural and let the Prime Minister win. We don't want hypothetical situation.
No, he can
BJP
contest from
ready to take the
anywhere
challenge
because
and let Prime Minister
we are
contest
a
from
party of
one seat in Kerala and
karyakartas.
win?
We don't believe in picnic politics. We don't go to our constituencies once in a few months.
का एक और बच्चा होता
Our karyakartas are active 24/7. Anyway, Arnab, let us
Then
not
divert the
deflect from
topic. Can you
debate.
take the
Arnab,
challenge
you
of
would recall
making
on
Modi
your show.
contest in Kerala
Arnab,
and making
on
him
your
win?
show
Can you take the
itself-
challenge? Open
On
challenge.
your
Can you
show
take that?
itself, Arnab, on your show itself, let's get back to Rahul Gandhi and Amethi. Arnab,
This
on
was
your
emerging
show in
politics. You wanted to talk
2022,
about
if you
your own
remember,
leader.
before
You
the
wanted to talk about
2022
Vishwaguru.
assembly elections,
He can't
I had
win
thrown an
elections in North
open
India.
challenge that
He cannot
if
win any
Congress
election in
party
South
wins
India.
5
Why
seats
don't
in
we
the
not
assembly
contest?
elections, I will quit politics. It eventually won 2 seats. It eventually won 2 seats with a vote share of 2.33%. Now, if these Congress people continue to be in denial, if they continue to be in delusion and say that this is a master stroke, I think, God save this party, but this party does not deserve to be saved.
People of Amethi and Raebareli will teach you a lesson. People of Amethi and Raebareli will teach a lesson to the BJP. We are not the voters.
Are you warning us? Is that a warning? Is that a prediction? What exactly is it?
No, the people have told us that we are not going to vote
You have
for
a good
BJP.
sense of humor.
No. It's an Amethi. You go to Amethi and find out. Smriti Irani ji, in interview for half an hour with Arnab ji, taking 900 times the name of my leader. She's so afraid. काश हमारा राहुल
No,
जी का
because
एक और भाई होता,
his chicanery,
एक और बहन होती, तो हम
his
दिखाते
vile
हैं
intent needs to be called
हम
out.
डरने वाले
No.
लोग नहीं है.
With what he has, Rahul
up
Gandhi's
50-50.
vile intent,
Today,
especially in the Rohit Verma-
BJP who is
Rohit
Just
Verma case,
one, Mr. Sabharwal, just move away from the camera a little bit. We are getting your audio. My question is, one minute, Mr. Sabharwal, see, this family, arrogant kind of family, entitled, arrogant people. Listen to me. Rahul Gandhi lost in Amethi. After that 2.5 years, he didn't go. In the COVID period, people kept asking, he didn't go. He visited Amethi just 4 times. In 5 years, he did not visit Amethi even once during COVID-19. Between 2022 February and 2024 February, 2 years, he did not even go to Amethi for 1 minute. I mean, किस मुंह से आप कहते हैं ये क्या है आपको? ये आपकी जो है ना ये we own Amethi. You don't own Amethi. रायबरेली हमारा नहीं है आपका. वो टाइम गया. नहीं वो टाइम गया. आप समझ लीजिए वो टाइम गया. और आपकी जो यूट्यूबर मीडिया है, आप जर्मनी से बुला के यूट्यूबर्स को पैसा दे के आप उनसे यूट्यूब वीडियो करवा रहे हैं. वो यूट्यूब वीडियो से आपकी कैंपेन यूट्यूब में इंटेंस है. योर कैंपेन इज इंटेंस ऑन यूट्यूब, नॉट इन द ग्राउंड. नॉट इन द ग्राउंड. यूट्यूब में नहीं. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी मिस्टर अग्रवाल, यूट्यूब से कोई जीतता है क्या इलेक्शन? अगर आपके असेंबली टू असेंबली कंस्टिट्यूएंसी में यू आर गोइंग टू बी वाइप्ड आउट. You know today, 11 times you said to me नो राहुल गांधी विल गो। अरे मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने ही वाज बेगिंग, प्लीज फाइट, इज्जत का सवाल है।